Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat can't login due to network error. So you have to just simply go the Play Store and check the app. If you have the updates, you will have to update the Snapchat app. So I will already update it. So second one is to go to settings and click to applications of mobile. So again click to applications and there is you're gonna will be find Snapchat app, and when it's load, so you have to find Snapchat app. So scroll down to find Snapchat app or tap to search bar for Snapchat quickly. So open it and click to storage. So clear the cache and also manage space and delete the app data if have been very low. So fix it. So they are the two reasons of network due error, and also you have to check the airplane mode and unmod and check the internet connections. There can also any have reason to due network error. So very simple. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.